If you are planning on installing Windows 11 on your unsupported laptop or desktop, I have a quick fix for you. So first you're gonna search Windows 11 as file download on Google and go here. Go to the official download page of Microsoft. You're gonna scroll down here. Okay, you're gonna have to select the ISO edition, Windows 11, more download option. Okay, you're gonna have to select your language. So I'm gonna, you can do anything you want. Okay, confirm. Then this will start downloading the file. Verify your download. When you click this, it will start downloading the file. But now I already have it downloaded on my computer. So I'm gonna just show you. Oh, and you also need Rufus. You're gonna have to start this Rufus, and you will download this Rufus 4.6 or any other latest that they have in their website. And you are gonna have to plug in your pen drive onto your PC. Okay, that's my pen drive, a 32 gig variant. You will have to open Rufus, then you will select this, the ISO that you downloaded, and now it's ready. Now when you press start, it will show you a bunch of options like the 4GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM. You can remove this requirement. You can also remove requirement for online Microsoft accounts, so you don't need any internet in that case. You can also disable data collection. I always do this, and also disable BitLocker. You can, or you may or may not want to do this, but I disable it always because I feel like it speeds up the computer a bit faster when you don't have to encrypt every bit of data. And when you click OK, it will start wiping the pen drive and boot everything onto it. Oh, and while this goes on, I would like to show you that my laptop is an i5 7th gen. This is completely unsupported by Windows 11, so I will try to install Windows 11 on my laptop today, and you can see if you can do that as well. All right, our installation files are ready, and as you can see, my battery is quite low, so I will recommend you keep your battery plugged in. Okay, now close this, and doing this procedure you will lose all your data, so I will suggest you back up your important files somewhere else. I think I have everything backed up, I believe. I don't know. Okay, I will press delete because I need to go into BIOS. You will press the keys that are designated for your brand to get into the BIOS. Now I will go into boot menu, select my pen drive. This is my pen drive. Hit enter, and it will boot from the pen drive. Install Windows 11. I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Next. Yes, now I will read every line in the terms and conditions. Fuck it. Accept. Because who cares? I don't. There's a lot of partition here. Okay, disk 0 means this is the SSD I have on my computer, okay? So I will delete this partition. You have to actually think, if you have more than 2 hard disks on your laptop, you will have to actually check this, because disk 0 is the SSD I have installed on my laptop, and disk 1 is the pen drive. So you might want to check. Time for the installation. This is not my region, but I'll see what I can do. I'm actually from Bangladesh, so I'm gonna select this. Select yes. Okay. Select yes, yes. This is not my keyboard layout. I need United States International. Next. Nope. No, I don't have internet. You're gonna have to select that, or else they might ask you for. Okay, this busy user 0. Or they might ask you for logging into your Microsoft account. This is my name. Next, now I'm gonna set it up. Yet. Always encrypt your personal computer with a password. Okay. Don't be like me. Okay, I will set it up later. Okay. Okay. There we have it. Windows 11 is installed on my computer. Now, before anything, I want to personalize this. Go into themes, because I need the computer folder, like right, the computer icon. So go into themes, personalization, themes, then desktop icon settings, and then select computer, and okay, that's it. Refresh it. There you have it, the PC icon. Always do this, because if you don't use it without, if you use your computer without an activation code, then the Microsoft will lock your personalization options, and you cannot do this, at least not in an easy way. So, and the desktop, okay, here, I'll go into options, and always to this PC. Why did I do this? Because I constantly use this icon to get into my PC, and it will always show this PC. Otherwise, it would show home. That's annoying. Okay, I will run some updates now. Oh, and this is the first time. And before shooting this video, I actually installed Windows 11 on this computer probably like 5 times. And each and every time there was this glitch. Whenever I click this, okay, they fixed it. They fixed it. There was this glitch, okay? There was this glitch. It was really annoying, and that's why I always, it's the little thing that bothers me. I think I have ADHD, I don't know. They fixed it. That's great. All right, we're at the end of this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. I will try my best to help you out, and leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.